was told that the best way to explore New Zealand is to rent a car, but I don't know anybody. I'm obviously traveling solo. So I'm pretty darn sure I'm gonna die tonight. This is absurd. So I just landed in New Zealand and I'm actually walking to my hostel right now. I'm staying in one of those pods. Not super excited about it because I kind of get claustrophobic, but I'm still like in the airport terminal right now. And I just can't get over the fact that I'm walking from the airport to where I'm staying. Like, that's never happened before. Got a bit of a late start this morning. I arrived kind of late last night and totally forgot there's a time change, so I'm quite tired. Anyways, the hostel last night was pretty cool. Slept in a pod for the first time. Realized I don't really like sleeping in a pod. I kind of knew that going in though. It's just a bit claustrophobic for me. I had the curtain thing opened a little bit, but it's not for me. I think the whole concept's really cool. I got myself some breakfast. It's a meat pie, so I'm told that's kind of what you're supposed to eat here. It's chicken tikka masala. Kind of weird. Actually quite good. Kind of like a chicken pot pie, Indian style. I like it. Okay, I just dropped off my stuff at my second hostel. Now I'm headed to go meet this guy. I really was told that the best way to explore New Zealand is to rent a car, but I don't know anybody. I'm obviously traveling solo, so I went on to Facebook, the New Zealand backpackers, and I said, hey, I'm a solo traveler looking to rent a car with a bunch of people. If anybody wants to join, I'm flying to Christchurch. So I'm meeting up with this one guy now who has a van, and we'll see what happens. So it has been less than 24 hours since I arrived to New Zealand. I got here late last night after midnight. It's around 4 p.m. now. Already found somebody to road trip with who seems really chill, owns his own van, so we're not even renting a car, just split the petrol. Has like a whole kitchen back thing and just perfect for camping. And I went back to my hostel to ask them where do I buy camping stuff, you know, tent, sleeping bag, whatever. They gave me them for free. Literally for free, because other backpackers had left it. So I got a free tent and a free sleeping bag. I've got to be one of the luckiest people right now. I don't want to jinx that, but I feel like this is fate. I'm really excited where this is gonna go. I am on the way to buy a mattress pad because just, you know, want to be more comfortable. But I'm really excited.
Aïe aïe aïe.
What'd you say?
Nothing. I speak French. Je parle français. Je parle pas anglais.
Okay, well, I'm gonna vlog.
Yeah.
So right now I'm in the car with Eddie. Il parle français. Do you want to say anything? He's getting used to being on camera. Anyways, we met a few hours ago and we're gonna start our road trip tomorrow, and right now we're on the way to the warehouse where I'm gonna buy a kayak. Yeah. Because he has a kayak and I really want to avoid tours, so I think this will be a good investment, hopefully a good one. Okay, this looks pretty decent.
This one. But
I don't know.
You know, if you have some wind, because you have a lot of wind in New Zealand,
I'm gonna blow off.
And some wave, me, I can't help you.
It's okay, I'm gonna buy a life vest.
Oh fuck.
Okay, how much is it? It's $2.99.
Maybe you have to try first.
Okay.
So now you can speak with your follower.
Now I can speak with my followers. Yeah. This thing is massive.
Yeah, or you will kill yourself.
They only have male versions. I find that kind of sexist. But will they let me sit in it?
What?
Can I sit in it and test it out?
Yeah, maybe you should.
I think it feels fine.
Good luck. You can go to America like that. With your tent and everything. It's a big tree. It's a huge tree. Yeah.
These are the worst paddles I've ever seen.
Okay. Yeah. For me, for sure, this one is more stable. Instead this one.
This thing's massive. Really?
Yeah, but if we go in open water, you know. No, it's not.
I know, it's like this.
Okay.
I think we've been here for like an hour right now, just trying to figure out if the measurements are going to fit on the car. This one is that one's higher.
Yeah, this one is higher.
So we just spent, I don't know, maybe like 2.5 hours?
Something like that.
I think like 2.5 hours looking for a kayak, torturing all the people in the store, and walked out with nothing.
I don't want to speak about that anymore. It's the last time I want to kayak.
Good news, we've gotten to know each other pretty good.
Yeah, we spend more time together.
Thinking about going to an actual kayak store tomorrow. The problem is it just won't fit on the roof, so that's a problem. Anything you want to say?
Oh no, it's enough. Enough.
Trop fatigué?
Ah, trop fatigué. Trop fatigué.
We are back again trying to find a kayak, trying to see if this one will fit on the roof.
Take my hand, don't give up, 'cause this is how it starts.
Okay, we are now at our third store. Hopefully this is the winner. This is just getting ridiculous.
Yeah, but look the price.
Yeah, but we have been looking at, I mean, do you think this one will fit?
See the world starting new, starting new.
So you got it to work. Ça marche? It works. Okay. I want to buy this thing now.
Let's buy this thing.
Okay, officially the search is over. I bought the kayak. It's on top of the roof. Eddie's on somewhere at a shop trying to buy a strap because they don't have a long enough one here. I paid $600. It came with a life vest and a paddle. This is, you know, expensive up front, but the plan is to actually sell it after I leave New Zealand so that this is cheaper. I don't have to pay for tours. I can go out wherever I want, not on a time constraint, because normally it's like $25 per hour to rent a kayak, which can add up pretty fast. But this way, hopefully I could sell this for maybe $500. We'll see. So yeah, I just need to find Eddie, and then finally we can head to our first destination. How do you feel? You happy?
No.
T'es content?
No.
Pourquoi?
Because I'm so tired. End of the travel. New Zealand was so nice.
I think we spent how much? Like 2 hours today?
No, 4 hours. With yesterday. Was a very good meet.
Yeah, but now we're all ready to go. Kayak's on top. We don't know if it's gonna stay.
If the kayak maybe will go soon.
Yeah, I'm your hero. Yeah, I'm your hero. I'm coming to the rescue. Yeah, I'm your hero. Came from nothing, up from zero. They tried to take me out, I'm here though. Yeah, I'm your hero. Yeah, I'm your hero. I'm taking hold, I'll never let go. I'm here to stay, so let the world know. Yeah, 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 'cause I'm your hero.
Alors, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Je vais boire un café.
Ouais, bah, tu as bu combien? aujourd'hui.
C'est le troisième?
Troisième.
Quatrième?
Non, je crois que c'est le quatrième.
Ouais, mais j'ai besoin de café pour te supporter parce que je comprends rien à ce que tu me racontes.
I'm driving him crazy, so he has to buy 4 coffees.
Hold tight, I'm coming for you. Hang on, I'm coming for you. Hold tight, I'm coming for you. Hang on, I'm coming for you.
So on the way to Mount Cook, we decided to stop at Tekapo, which we have this beautiful turquoise lake behind me. I think we're gonna come back tomorrow and maybe go kayak here, but look how crazy cool this water is. This entire drive has just been so beautiful, but this is definitely one of the highlights. So we are now at the grocery store looking for some foods for when we get to our campsite. Well, actually right now we're getting his needs. Needs a 6-pack. Alright, got beer. On va faire des pâtes?
Je sais pas. Et tu manges quoi le matin?
Des œufs.
Parfait.
So we just got all our groceries. Now we're packing up the car. Headed to our campsite.
I'm taking my chances. I have no regrets. Won't change the circumstances. I paid off all my debts. Say it out loud.
So we just arrived to Mount Cook, and this is where we're going to be staying for the night. And check out this lake behind me. How beautiful is that? So I think I'm actually going to just pitch my tent right here. It is a bit colder here, that's the only downside. And I think Eddie's gonna stay in his car back there. There's actually quite a lot of people here that are camped here. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna go somewhere maybe right here with this nice view.
I got no worries, got me, no.
Where are the steaks? Ah, that's not good.
I got no problems, I can see.
There's just this.
It's okay. I know where I will find you. Why?
I got this feeling over me like. I got.
T'as besoin d'aide, je crois.
Non.
Ok. Tu te rappelles tout ce que t'as dit là? Tu te rappelles que t'as dit non? Tu penses que tu vas survivre à ça ce soir ou pas?
Tu quoi? Ouais.
Tu penses que... Ouais.
Tu dors seulement comme ça.
Donc, là, genre pour l'instant, elle est là. Et demain matin, vidéo, tu la retrouverai là. Sur le lac. Quelque part. Peut-être quelque part. Tu m'as dit t'as pas besoin d'aide. Donc, Eddie, il est pas là. Tu m'oublies. T'as dit non, j'ai pas besoin d'aide. Donc t'es une grande fille, tu fais.
Bah, il faut que je sache comment mettre dans.
Qui essaye de monter sa tente. 2 hours after.
Non. Ok, aide-moi. Ok, vraiment.
Qu'est-ce qu'on dit?
Aide-moi, s'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît.
Toi.
Chef.
Eddie. Chef Eddie.
Good. Okay, do you want to know one story? I saw on a group some shit. Arrête! Stop it! Oh, Ok, it's okay, everything is okay. Ah, tu peux... Ah, yeah. Okay, understood.
I got no worries.
So I'm pretty darn sure I'm gonna die tonight because, well, you can see how windy it is, and my tent didn't come with stakes, so there's nothing to actually plant my tent into the ground. So we're using rocks, but I'm pretty darn sure I'm gonna end up in the lake tomorrow morning. We're trying to find a solution here.
Oh, yeah.
So we put some rocks in here originally so that it would hold it down, but it's not working, so we're trying to find another solution.
Pick up the rock around.
Pick up what?
The rock around the
So-
tent.
Okay. The rock?
The rock. Yeah, like
Ah,
les cailloux.
Okay. Okay.
Ouais, yeah, okay. Good.
Bon. Allez. Ah, tu marches comme ça. Ah. Ouais. Are you inside?
Yeah, I'm there.
You're inside the tent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Something like that.
This looks absurd. Oh. Yeah, working great. This is ridiculous. Here, yeah. Où est Poppy? Elle est dans le lac.
Where is Poppy?
I got this